Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create VK account in mobile. So it's very simple. If you are using Android, then you can go to Play Store and search for VK and just install it. If you are using iOS, then you can just go to App Store and install it. So let's start the video. You can just open your VK app in mobile and you can see your sign in box. Just sign in if you have an account, but if you are creating an account, just go to sign up here. Now you can see this platform here. You need to just enter your mobile number to get a verification. Here you will get a code or an automatic phone will come to you. So just enter the last number which you received the call from. So after that you just have to fill up your information, the first name and last name, also your date of birth and gender. So I'm going to fill up this page and just continue with this. Now you need to create a password. If you want to have stronger one, then you can use special character or numerical numbers. So I'm going to use that and just create it and just continue it. So here your brand new VK account is being created, and if you want to just add friends, you can just click on it or skip it, and you can choose your interest and continue with it. So here is your account. So thanks for watching the video. Please follow for more contents and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.